Many times you hear me talking about molecular clouds, that I like molecular clouds, I model molecular clouds, but what is exactly a molecular cloud? Well, I think we covered that in another episode, but recently there is this video by NASA that allows to fly into one of the most studied molecular clouds, the Orion Nebula. This is Monterey. Welcome to your cosmic kingdom. The Orion Nebula is one of the closest star-forming places in our galaxy. And it's been studied, and you have these beautiful pictures in which you can see these crests of gas that is being pushed away by the radiation and the energy coming out of the young, big, massive stars in the center. We will be seeing two different colors of light. One is the visible light, the light we use on our normal lives, and the other one is infrared. And with those together, we see this. So we start by seeing the galactic plane with the dust lanes, and we fly directly into the area. That red arc is just dust emitting radiation, and we fly directly to the part where we are used to see these beautiful pictures of this cloud-like structure. And you can see the crest I was telling you about before, and now it's visible from Hubble, and this is what we see in infrared. Obviously we see different things, but they have to be more like the same. So now we are just inside the cloud, and again visible and infrared, and you can see the stars clearly in infrared. And now we are going to start flying into it. In this visualization, it's pretty clear that the difference between the gas and the stars, and you can see there is a big cluster of stars in the center that is being pushing away the gas, and that is also seen in simulations like the one I do. And what I find also really cool is the existence of these two pillars of matter on top of the cluster. I didn't see so many stars. When you have a look at the picture, you don't see so many stars like the ones are here, and you can see the structure, like big massive ones seems to be in the center, and the others are like more scattered around, and there is this massive wall of gas surrounding that. That wall is being pushed by the radiation of these massive stars, and oh, look, we have seen a proplet. You can also see the small shells around stars. Those shells are just the resultant of the wind of that star colliding with the inflows. And lastly, we're just flying away now, and you can see the amount of reservoir of gas that probably is collapsing, forming new stars. But sadly, we are not going to be able to see those, because those are going to be forming probably in the next million years. But that is a nice overview of what a molecular cloud forming stars look like. I hope you like this episode. If you like the channel, please click subscribe, and see you guys next week. Bye bye.